Ayan na mga kaibigan, happening now is the Tiger Climb Show featuring Sultan, our fully grown Bengal tiger. Ang mga tigers po mga kaibigan are the biggest species of all cats. Scientific name Panthera tigris. They can grow up to 11 feet and can weigh up to 300 kilos. These tigers are carnivores. Kumakain po sila ng laman ng meat ng mga animals, even small animals. And they can kill animals twice their size. They can kill water buffaloes, wildebeest, and other animals na doble po ang laki kesa sa kanila. Kaya naman, they are the most feared or pinaka-kinatatakutan ng mga predators all over the world. Tigers also are territorial. Meron po silang sariling teritoryo and they are using their claws to mark their territories and they are spraying urine para po palayuin ang kanilang mga rivals in the jungle. Did you know mga kaibigan, tigers also can jump at a length of 5 feet. Sa isang lundagan lamang po yun, kaya-kaya nila tumalo ng ganun kalayo. And still happening now is your Tiger Farm Show featuring Sultan, our fully grown Bengal tiger. Bengal tigers are most common species of cats all over the world. Pero hindi po sila ang pinakamalaki.
Oh my God!
Ang pinakamalaki species ng mga tigers ay ang pinsan po nila ng mga Siberian tigers. As of speaking, meron pong 3 species na tigers na extinct. Kaya please help us in the conservation of these wildlife animals for the future generations.
So big! He's a vegetarian. He just eat grass.
Still happening now is your Tiger Climb Show. And these tigers will be served by our animal keeper na si Kuya Yoki. Ito ang kailang portion this afternoon. Ganyan po maraming kinakain ng mga tigers. They consume from 5 to 7 kilos of meat every day. Kaya dapat po ibinibigay sa kanila yan para maintain ang kanilang growth. At syempre pa, maintenance ng kanilang katawan and even their muscle building.